$15 bid on here, now $20 bid on 20. I have it right here, 20, now 25, $25 bid on 30, $30 bid on 30, $5 bid on here, we're going to bid on 35 is all, $35 bid on 35, $35 bid on 35, we're going to bid on 35. Sold it, $30. Buyer number 858. Thank you, Dan. Next up, lot number 625. 625, the 225-gallon fertilizer tank. It came off the John Deere 1760 planter. All right, on the tank here, it'll give me 100 and start. $100 bid. $100 bid down here. I'm going to go to it on 50. That last buyer, where were we at there on the tires? Our clerk missed it. He's not perfect. Who bought this last set of tires? Where was that at, folks? Right back there. I'm sorry. 858. 8. Thank you. Good catch. All right. Now we're on the fertilizer tank. The fertilizer tank here, 225-gallon. Who was starting me? 100 to go. $100. $100 bid on 100. We need to go to bid on 50 and start. $50 bid on $50 bid on here. We need to go to bid on 50s all. $50 bid on 25 and go. $25 bid. Thank you. Now $30 bid on 30. We need to go to bid on $30 bid on here. We need to go to bid on 30. 25 a half. $30 bid on 30. I don't want to miss anybody. $30 bid on here. We need to go to bid on 30. Sold it right here, $25 to Fred. Buyer number is 547. 547. Next up, lot 626, the 110-gallon poly spray tank with a